Good morning students. How are you doing? I hope that you must be fine and enjoying your holidays. First of all, I welcome all the students, those who have passed 5th standard and now they have come to 6th standard. Now, as you know that today we are facing a very dangerous problem. Do you know which problem we are facing today? Yes, coronavirus. It is also known as COVID-19. It is a very dangerous and contagious disease. So, the result is that we have to face the problem of lockdown. But don't worry, we have find out a solution on that, and the solution is online teaching. So, we are going to teach you online lessons and it will be very helpful to you for your studies. Now, myself, Zado madam, and you know me as Vankede madam, I am going to teach you English language for 6th standard for this year. And the book you require is The New Grammar Magic for 6th standard. Now, we have divided the syllabus of this book into two sections, first term and second term. In first term, we are going to study nouns, the number, then nouns the gender, fourth one is pronouns, fifth one is verbs, sixth one adverbs, seventh one is adjective, then 8 conjunction, ninth one is preposition, and 10th one is interjection. Now, if you want to write down this syllabus, you can write down. Apart from this, we also going to study one comprehension, one letter writing that will be informal, and one essay. So all these will be your first term syllabus. Okay? Now I am going to rub this blackboard. Now the first topic that we are going to study is nouns. Now, in your previous classes, in 5th standard, you may have studied the definition of noun. Can anyone tell me? Yes, noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, feelings and thoughts. Now, one by one, I am writing here the definition of noun. Noun is a name of person. When we are talking about a person, any name you can take. Your mother and father has given you name, beautiful name. For example, your name may be Abhijit. It may be Akanksha, like this. Place. Now you you can take the example of Manmad. We are living in Manmad. So Manmad is also a noun. Then name of the city, Bombay. So these are the places. Animal. Animal, for example, any animal you can take, cat, dog, like this. Then things. For example, right now I am writing on the blackboard. So blackboard is also a noun. Then chalk. Chalk is also a noun. Next, feelings. For example, happiness. Excitement. Thoughts. Ideas. So this is the definition of noun. Okay. So if you want to write down this definition, you can write in your notebook. I hope that up to now you have understood the definition of noun. Again I am repeating it. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feelings, thought, like this. So now open your textbook on page number 14. Page number 14. And one question is given on page number 14. Read this popular song from the classic film The Sound of Music. Now you have to read this whole poem. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with the strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple turtles, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses and with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I am feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things. And then I don't feel so bad. Now, this is a poem, or you can say the popular song from the classic film, The Sound of Music. And now, you have to do a simple thing, that you have to underline all the nouns that have come in this poem. You have to tell me the answer in the next period. Till now, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.